Ever pondered the question, how does physics impact our daily lives? It might seem like a subject reserved for scientists and academics, but it's actually far more embedded in our day-to-day than we might realize. From the moment we wake up to the moment we fall asleep, physics is silently at work, shaping our reality and facilitating our interactions with the world around us. Imagine this. You're in the kitchen making breakfast. As you pop a slice of bread into the toaster and wait for it to transform into a crispy golden piece of toast, you're witnessing physics in action. The toaster uses the principle of Joule heating, an example of the conversion of electric energy into heat energy. And as you drive your car to work, physics is your silent co-pilot. The engine of your car, for instance, operates on the principles of thermodynamics, converting chemical energy in the fuel into mechanical energy that propels the vehicle forward. The friction between the tires and the road, the air resistance against the car's surface, the car's speed and direction, all of these involve the principles of physics. Even something as simple as using a cell phone to call a friend, physics is at play. The transmission and reception of signals, the functioning of the touchscreen, the charging and discharging of the battery, all these processes are governed by the principles of electromagnetism, a fundamental branch of physics. In the grand scheme of things, physics is the foundation of many important scientific disciplines. It's the underpinning of chemistry, providing a detailed understanding of atoms and molecules. It's pivotal in architecture, determining structural stability and influencing heating, lighting, and cooling systems. It's critical in geology, helping us understand natural disasters like earthquakes, storms, and volcanoes. Physics even extends to the human body. It describes the chemical processes occurring within us, such as how our ears detect sound or how our eyes perceive color. It's used in medical diagnoses, with technologies like X-rays, MRIs, and ultrasonic blood flow measurements all being applications of physics. So, the next time you find yourself questioning the relevance of physics in daily life, remember this. Physics is the silent force that shapes our world. It's the reason why our cars move, why our phones work, and even why our bodies function the way they do. It's the unseen hand guiding the natural and technological world around us. Physics isn't just a subject in a textbook, it's a fundamental part of our everyday lives. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please hit that like button and share it with your friends. It really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll know exactly when a new video is posted. Your support means the world to us, and we're excited to bring you even more great content. Until next time, stay inspired and keep exploring towards a more fulfilling and blissful lifestyle with us. Bless your heart and see you in the next video.